To transfer XRP from Robinhood to your Trezor wallet, follow these steps. The process is easy and quick, so it's essential to see it through to the end. First, open your Trezor app, which can be accessed through the application or the website. Connect your Trezor device and the app. Next, click on the account option at the top. Then click the plus icon on the left sidebar. From the window that appears, select the Add More Coins option and ensure you have chosen XRP. Click the Find My Accounts button, and XRP will be enabled in your Trezor wallet. To obtain a Trezor address, click the button to reveal it, which will take you to a screen where you can click Show Full Address. A window with the QR code of your XRP Trezor address will pop up. Click the Copy Address button at the bottom to copy the address. With your Trezor address, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the second tab at the bottom. On this page, click the search bar or search icon at the top. Type XRP and select the XRP option from the results. This will take you to a screen where you need to scroll down to find the Send and Receive options. Click the Send button on the next screen. Enter the amount in dollars that you want to transfer to your Trezor wallet and click Continue. This will open your camera, allowing you to scan the Trezor QR code directly or enter the address manually by clicking the Enter Manually option. Paste the Trezor address into the provided area and click the Review button. Review the details to ensure the address and amount are correct. Then click the Confirm button. Your XRP will be transferred from Robinhood to your Trezor wallet.